Hello, so this is going to be your reading for the month of February 8th to 14th. Okay, let me see what is the current energies of your partners and what could be the outcome by the end of this week. Okay, if you're in no contact or separations, anyways. Okay, let me see for Aries first. It would be Aries to Pisces. Okay, let me see for Aries. Aries, if you're in no contact, let me see what your partner is currently thinking and feeling towards you. Aries, this person knows that, see, this person knows that you must be angry. This person knows that he has done something to make you upset. He is the reason behind the separation. So this person is really realizing it at present, and this person is manifesting you. It's manifesting. So it's may I would let me see if this person will approach anyways, because this is like incoming. He or she is feeling as if ki, let the message come from the other side. Let him or her approach me. I may not, he or she may not. But let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. 8th to 14th of February. Okay. Similarly, it's an ego clash. It's like having, see, it's ego jab aata hai relationship mein, it's not good for any relationship. If possible, if you both can keep your egos aside, and then things can go well. Because I had this idea earlier, मुझे लग रहा था कि इंसान खुद खुद से कनेक्ट करेगा, इसके चांसेस कम है. This person wants you to connect him or her. Okay, this is it. Don't worry, energies may shift in the next week. Aries, okay. Let me see for Taurus. Taurus, if you're in no contact, let me see what your partner is currently thinking and feeling about you between 8th to 14th of February. Taurus, for Taurus, this person wants a clear reconciliation, absolute reconciliation. This person is missing you. Yes, yes, yes. This person seems absolutely into anxiety. But you know, Taurus, although this person has feelings for you, this is very clear. But other than feelings, no, this person is having that some other cravings also. Hope you understood. Okay, let it be. Let me see what can be the outcome by the end of this week for Taurus. See, one of you is not trusting the situation. Okay, one of you is eagerly waiting for the other person to connect. The other person is feeling a need to connect, an urge to connect, but a fear of rejection is there. So hopefully this is your person. This person feels that fear of rejection. So I don't see this person approaching you, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि by the end of this month or the next week this person may. Okay, Taurus, all the very best. Let me see for Geminis. Geminis, let me see how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you. Geminis, this person is absolutely into anxiety. Absolutely, this person is overthinking something. This person feels like, oh, this person may be watching you from far. I can sense some stalking energies from this person. It can be, see, there can be any source. It can be anything. It can be social media. If you're not very active on social media, then it can be watching your WhatsApp DP. It can be anything, any XYZ. Okay, but that is a virtual stalking. This is not physical stalking. Okay, this person is seeing you from far. Let me see. And this person is seeing you being very focused on your own life, your own finances, everything. Okay, now let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week, Geminis. Again the similar thing. I'm so sorry, Geminis, this is it. Again the stalking energy is there. बस देखना है, दूर से देखना है. But I am not seeing this person approaching you. But it is there somewhere. in his or her mind. So possibly, maybe in the next week, we'll see later on what happens. Okay, Geminis, stay blessed. Let me see for Cancerians. Cancerians, let me see what your person is currently thinking and feeling for you, Cancerians. Hmm? Wait a minute. Why is this here? Oh, this person is missing you, no doubt. But I can see very clearly, I can see some trust issues. Is there somebody else in the mix, Cancerians? Or this can be some overthinking from your partner's end. Okay, or it can be you also. He or she may feel like um, uh, you're not trusting him or her. Got it, Cancerians? Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. Cancerians. This person seems to be very disappointed. This person feels like he has lost something, he has lost the connection. Intuitively, this person is feeling that you must be missing him or her. Okay, don't go behind genders, because him and her wali cheeze na, it's very difficult to say everything all together, but it can go either ways. तो इसे intuitively लग रहा है कि you also must be missing the person, but you're not, but you're holding back. This person feels for you that you are holding back from the situation. Okay, you're not willing to come forward and connect to him. Okay, this is it. And by the end of this week also, I'm not seeing any movement, but this person really wants it, no doubt. Okay, let me see. Let me see for Leos. Leos, Leos, let me see what is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you. Leos, this person has overwhelming love for you, no doubt. Absolutely no doubt. This person wants everything, like a family, or I don't know if he or she has realized it recently. Let me see what could be the possible outcome. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. Okay, I can see a clear reconciliation by the end of this week. High chances are there. Okay, but the person is fearing it. Why fearing? Oh, yes, fearing it. Why so? Why fearing? Is there some truth that you already know about this person, and this person is very much into this dilemma what to do? Okay, see, so this truth could be about somebody else in the mix. No worries. Let him or her come towards you, then you'll decide later on what to do with this person. Okay. Leos, all the best. Let me see for Virgos. Virgos, let me see how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you, Virgos. Okay, wait, Virgos. This person is absolutely enjoying his singlehood at present. No doubt. No doubt. But actually things would have been very stagnant between both of you. तो ये होता है ना, एक माइंडसेट होता है कि यार मतलब नथिंग, देयर इज नो चेंजेस, कोई चेंज नहीं है सिचुएशन में. ओके, थिंग्स वर, there can be a situation where things were not moving in this connection. तो इन्हें लग रहा है कि okay, just enjoy the singlehood at present. But इसमें एक पॉजिटिविटी मैं ये देख रही हूँ वर्गोस कि at least this person is not having anybody else in the mix at present. इस वक्त there's no guarantee further, but इस वक्त this person is absolutely single. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week, Virgos. I can clearly see the stalking energies from this person, although this person is single from you, but he or she is seeing somewhere from far. Okay? I don't know. It can be anything. It can be social media, it can be watching your WhatsApp DP, but this person feels like ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आई एम नॉट देयर इन हर और हिज लाइफ तो द अदर पर्सन इज एंजॉइंग इट. नो, प्लीज डोंट माइंड, बट दिस पर्सन इज वेरी इगोइस्टिक, वेरी इगोइस्टिक. इन्हें लग रहा है कि कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप इनके बिना लाइफ को एंजॉय कर रहे हो. He wants you to see absolutely into disappointment just because this person is not there in your life. Okay, this is it. This is what I'm seeing, and I'm so sorry for this negative reading. What to do? This is it that I'm seeing. Okay, energies may shift in the next month, next week. Okay, I'll be doing the readings. Let me see for Libras. Libras, how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you? Libras, see, this person wants something very committed with you. This person absolutely wants some reconciliation. It's there on your cards. I'm sorry, it's there in your partner's mind. Okay, and this time when the partner is coming towards you, it must be with a solid commitment. But let me see what could be the possibility. This person seems very spiritual. Let me see what could be the possibility by the end of this week, Libra. Libras, that is what I saw, and this is it again. I can see, I can very clearly see very cool and calm kind of bond between both of you, very grounded, and I can clearly see this person approaching you. Anyways, it can be through. See, this person may make some excuse connect for connecting you. ये हो सकता है कि डायरेक्टली नहीं आकर ये किसी कोई एक्सक्यूज लेकर आपके पास आए. ओके, दिस इज इट. ओके, Libras, stay blessed. Let me see for Scorpios. Scorpios, let me see how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you, Scorpios. This person is absolutely focused on his or her career and very much in aggression, very much into frustration when it comes to this connection. And but this is very minor. Let me see. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. Okay. Oh, this person clearly, I said this is very minor. There are high chances that this person would like to bounce back. 10% chances are there that this person may connect to you to heal the situation. But why did I tell you this 10%? Because this person is very egoistic. ईगो से भरा हुआ इंसान है बहुत ज़्यादा. Because this person is fearing something. इनका मे बी कि चांसेस आर देयर कि इनका ईगो इनके रिश्तों से ज़्यादा बड़ा हो. This is it. I'm so sorry, Scorpio. This is what I'm seeing. Okay. Let me see for and Scorpios energies may shift. Okay, in the next week I'll be doing the readings. No worries. Let me see for Sagittarius. Let me see how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you. Sagittarius. Let me see. Oh, this person is contemplating having some reconciliation with you. This person really absolutely wants you. There is no doubt behind it. Absolutely. The cards are beautiful. But let me see, will he really or will she really come towards you by the end of this week, Saj? You know what is this? It's like see, this person must be an attention seeker. Okay. You know, ये क्या कर सकता है ये इंसान? There are high chances that suppose you're posting something on social media, okay, this person will like your post. He or she will see your story so that you will understand, okay, this person is interested, still interested in you. It's like this person wants your attention, okay, towards him or her. This person is manifesting this connection again. I told you, this person is absolutely manifesting connection. All the very best, Saj. Okay, let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you, Capricorns, if you are in no contact. See, this person is, although this person seems very busy in his or her life path. This person has a lot on his plate to handle, but still he has feelings for you. She has feelings for you. Okay, no doubt. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. See, this is an absolute, it's so lovely, and I'm so glad to see there are high chances that this person would be coming towards you with an offer. This person would do anything to please you. This person may do anything to make you happy. All the very best, Capricorns. I can see both of you coming together by the end of this week. Okay, now let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, how is your person currently thinking and feeling about you? Aquarius. Okay, this person is absolutely into anxiety, overthinking, sleepless nights, everything is there. This person is not happy without you, Aquarius. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week, Aquarius. See, by the end of this week, also, I'm not seeing any possible movements, but I can clearly see that this relationship is broken because of some ego factors. रिश्तों के बीच में ये ईगो, ये सब मत आने दें आप लोग, क्योंकि इट हर्ट्स अ लॉट. अल्टीमेटली you both must not be happy without each other. The other person is also not happy, you're also not happy. And one more thing that I saw from the background, that hopefully there is nobody else in the mix. Okay, क्योंकि जब हम ओवर थिंक करते हैं ना, योर पार्टनर इज ओवर थिंकिंग. ओवर थिंकिंग होती है तो यही सब होता है. ओवर थिंकिंग इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, कीप इट इन माइंड. आप अच्छी बात को भी आप सोचेंगे बहुत ज्यादा, यू कीप ऑन थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, इट विल गो टुवर्ड्स नेगेटिविटी ओनली. एंड दैट इज द थिंग दिस पर्सन इज हैविंग इन हिज और हर माइंड, कि ऐसा तो नहीं कि देयर इज समबडी एल्स विद whom यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. ऐसा ऐसा वाला ओवर थिंकिंग है. ओके, एंड सी माई कार्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ माई कार्ड्स फ्लिप्ड ऑफ. मैंने कहा ना, एनर्जीज वेर वेरी हैवी फॉर दिस पर्सन. चलो, लेट मी सी फॉर Pisces. Pisces, how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you? Pisces. Let me see, how is your partner currently thinking and feeling about you? Pisces. See, this person wants to reconcile with you. There is no doubt behind it. But this person seems to see, this person has certain plans for this week. But everything is still on the clouds. It's not on the ground. It will take a lot of time. I don't know how much time this person would take. Let me see what could be the possible outcome by the end of this week. Pisces. This person seems very much overthinking. I'm clearly see this overthinking thing in most of the zodiacs this time. This is the Valentine week. You both should come together, leaving behind your ego, frustrations, resentments. This person is day and night thinking about you, Pisces, no doubt. Secondly, इन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि what if he comes towards you, he has that fear of rejection, absolute fear of rejection. That's the reason this person is not coming forward. And secondly, one more thing that I'm seeing, uh, it's overthinking, absolute overthinking. You are staying in this person's mind 24 into 7 rent free. Absolutely. So by the end of this week also, I am not seeing anything, any movement. Okay, I'm so sorry, Pisces, for this negative reading. Energies may shift in the next week or the next couple of weeks. Okay, no worries. So now this is a collective reading. Those who could not resonate with whatever readings I gave, you all may resonate to this reading. Okay, this is a collective reading. Let me see what is the partner of everybody who are listening right now. What could be the possibility? What is the person currently thinking and feeling about? my viewers. Oh my goodness. See, this is what we actually want. No, this is what we actually want. This is it that we want, isn't it? So, hopefully, lots of blessings and good luck to all of you, because this person seems absolutely into this mood to reconcile with you. This person cannot stay without you. This is fact. Okay. All the very best, and hopefully, your Valentine would be memorable. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.